Pests and kinds of pests. Let us see an introduction about the word pest. Pest, the word is derived from the French word peste. In Latin, the term pestis means plague or contagious disease. Pests are organisms which impose burdens on human population by causing injury to agricultural crop plants, forests, and ornamental plants. It causes injury and death to humans and domesticated animals. It causes for the destruction or value depreciation of stored food products. Pests can be defined as an organism, maybe an insect or animal, that is harmful to our health and properties, including agricultural crop and livestock. Generally, pests includes microbes, insects, nematodes, mites, snail, slug, rats, birds, weeds, and parasitic plants. Insect pests can be classified into several categories. Based on the nature, intensity, and frequency of occurrence, insect pests are classified into six types: regular pests, sporadic pests, occasional pests, seasonal pests, persistent pests, and potential pests. Regular pests are those insects that occur more frequently on a crop, and such insects have association with a particular crop before harvest. Example: jacids, which live on paddy, aphids, which live on mustard and cotton, fruit borer lives on brinjal, thrips live on chili. This picture shows jacids, aphid, fruit borer, and thrip. Sporadic pests assume pest status occasionally in certain years in a few isolated localities. It includes rice stink bug, locust, grasshopper, hairy caterpillar, cricket, cutworms, and cotton semi-looper. In this picture, we can see rice stink bug, cutworm, locust, and cotton semi-looper. Occasional pests. Many insects occur infrequently and a close association with a particular crop is absent. For example, worm of rice, castor slug caterpillar, mango stem borer, and mealy bug on cotton. These are the pictures of worm of rice, castor slug caterpillar, mango stem borer, and mealy bug. Seasonal pests. Insects which occur mostly during a particular part of the year. The incidence of these pests are largely governed by the environmental factors in a locality. For example, red hairy caterpillar lives on groundnut only during the month of April and May, and that too it can be observed in certain parts of South India. Similarly, rice grasshopper lives only on rice, particularly during the month of August and September, and this can be observed only in northeastern parts of Uttar Pradesh. This picture shows red hairy caterpillar and rice grasshopper. Persistent pests. Insects which occur on a crop almost throughout the year are known as persistent pests. For example, scale insects and mealy bugs are often found on the sugarcane throughout the year. This picture shows scale insects and mealy bugs which live on sugarcane. Potential pests. The potential pests normally cause little loss but may become highly destructive when there is consequent increase in their numbers and resulting in disturbance in the environment. For example, brown plant hopper infesting paddy crops, particularly in the eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh. In this picture, we can see the brown plant hopper. Based on the level of infestation, there are two types of pests. One is epidemic pest, sudden outbreak of a pest in a severe form in a region at a particular time. In that case, the pest is known as epidemic pest. For example, brown paddy hopper in Tanjore district, red hairy caterpillar in Madurai and Pollachi district. They cause the epidemic outbreak. Second type is endemic pest. Occurrence of the pest in a low level in few pockets regularly and confined to particular area. Rice gall midge is found only in Madurai area. Mango hoppers are found only in Periykulam area. Depending on the economic loss caused by the insect pest or the loss caused by the insect pest to the household things or the injury caused by the insect pest to the livestock, there are several types of insect pests. Agricultural pests or forest pests like the aphid and locust. Storage grain pest like rice weevil and grain moth. Household pests like cockroach, silverfish and termites. Medical pests. This includes vectors which carry the disease causing agents. For example, culex, Aedes and female Anopheles mosquitoes. Veterinary or livestock pest. It affects the livestock or cattle. Wobblefly and horsefly are the best example for such pests. Thank you.